How to enable NSFW content on Reddit app. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily turn on the NSFW contents on Reddit. As you guys know, it is turned off by default. So the first thing you want to do is open your Reddit app, and this should be your homepage right here. All you want to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner, and from here tap on the settings menu at the very bottom of your screen. Once you are on your settings, you will find this option right here on view options. Right here you will see show NSFW content. I'm over 18, so you can just simply toggle this on and off depending on your choice. If you want to turn it on, if you want the Reddit feed to show you NSFW content, you can just turn it on, and you can choose to blur NSFW image at first, so you can turn it on and off as well. But you cannot change it if this option is off, so you will have to turn it back on in order to change the second option. And that's how you can easily change the NSFW content on Reddit. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.